Hello and welcome to Simple CM's channel. She's been begging me all morning to make a video and I'm really not in the mood for it. I'm tired and my hair is not on fleek as it is as normal. But what she bought is this. Yes, it's correct. A mystery bag. So what is so mystical about this bag? From a shop called Normal. Or normal in English. Absolutely nothing is mysterious about it. It is basically a bag of items you cannot get rid of. Like, I will call this the review of a bag of crap. This is the bag, and inside is the crap. Crap bag. I don't understand why my wife chose to spend money on this crap bag, but she did. I don't understand why I should review this crap bag, but I have to get a little peace in this house. I have to do this, otherwise she will beg me all day. Oh, make a review for me. Oh, can you review my bag? Why can you not review your own crap? I paid money for this bag, and it's crap.
You know how much is it?
I know how much it is. It's $49, and it's crap. So, let's see what's inside this bag. Move, woman. So here we got the crap bag. And this is the crap that is inside the bag. Oh, I'm so happy. There is a brush for makeup. I don't need that. Oh, there is something. Oh, berry body smoothie. I don't need that. Oh, there is a facial cream, a facial skin. Nobody knows what this is, and there is a reason why it's in this bag, because it cannot be sold. It's crap. Oh, we also got a nice tag for a bag. Oh, it's so nice. Would I ever have been thinking about buying this one and paying money for it? No, and nobody else did. So that's why it's in the bag, for God's sake. Why are you buying the crap bag? And this, oh, this can actually be used. It is a shampoo. Oh, for frizzy dry hair. Oh, I can use that. My hair will look on fleek on the next video.
That's when you don't worry.
And here we got, I love coconut and cream. A product that's probably very good. And then there is this one.
For your hair.
Picture will come later. And a sticker. And this one from a brand called L'Oreal. And it's broken, you can see inside. Again, crap. So this is basically value for money for shit you don't need.
I need
Congratulations.
this.
Congratulations.
I need this.
Oh, you need it, yeah, and you really, yeah, you need it. Okay, so this is it. The video is done. I have reviewed the crap bag, and this is the last crap bag review I will ever make. I hate it. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, make a comment on the below pillow or something. Do something with your life. Have a nice day. And remember, rock on, bitches.